Okay, another part of the construction math is being able to identify what we call dimension lumber. All lumber that we use basically in carpentry work is considered dimension lumber and it's sold in specific sizes. There's two basic types of dimension lumber. One of them is plywood, which you see right here. You can notice that it's got multiple plies in it and it's sold in different thicknesses. And then you have building lumber, which is like this piece right here. Now, all of these are sold in a basic measurement, size, is how they get their name. And that is thickness, width, and length. That's how you identify a piece of wood. For example, this piece of wood right here, if I measure the thickness, it's going to be 1.5 inches. If I measure the width, which is across it, that's 5.5 inches. If I measure the length, it is 20 inches. So, once again, it starts with the thickness, the width, and then the length. TWL. Thickness, width, and length. Our plywood is sold the same way. It's got a thickness, it'll have a width, and it will have a length. All those can be determined by the tape measure. All carpenters are fluent with dimensioned lumber and how to determine its size using those measurements. So, once again, the thing I want to make clear is that you have a tape measure, standard one we use. You have to get fluent with all the marks on it, the inches, the fractions, the feet. And we use that to determine and select, for one thing, dimensioned lumber, which again is thickness, width, and length. That's what I want you to get out of this video. Plywood, dimensioned lumber, our tape measure. All right.